మీకు ఈ వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. రెగ్యులర్ నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ బటన్ని ప్రెస్ చేయండి.
Maths Part 1st, Standard 10th, Unit number 2, Quadratic Equation, Practice Set 2.6, Example number 1 to 4. Hi friends, I am Rajendra Jadhav. Today we are going to learn about Practice Set 2.6. Example first, product of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence is 84. Find her present age. Solution. First, let the present age of Pragati's present age be x years and her age 2 years ago is x minus 2 years and her age 3 years after is x plus 3 years. From the given condition, in example, product of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence is 84. Write down age. Her age 2 years ago is x minus 2 and after 3 years age x plus 3 is equal to 84. Multiply by bracket to each other, x into x, x square, x into 3, 3x, minus 2 into x, minus 2x, minus plus minus 2 3s are 6 is equal to 84. Therefore, x square like term 2x 3x minus 2x is equal to x minus 6. 84 gives to left hand side is equal to minus 84. Right hand side is 0. Therefore, x square plus x minus 6 and minus 84 is equal to minus 90 is equal to 0. Solve this equation in the factorization method. Therefore, x square plus x minus 90 is equal to 0. Solve this equation using the factorization method. Find the two factor of minus 90 and these two factor sum is 1. 10 9s are 90. Give the minus sign in small factor. Therefore, the sum of two factor is 1 and multiplication of two factor is minus 19. Write down in the factor form x square plus 10x minus 9x minus 90 is equal to 0. Find out the common factor of first two term and second two term. First two term common factor is x, the remaining part in bracket x plus 10, and second two terms common factor is the minus 9 in bracket x minus minus remaining plus 10. Here the two bracket are same, x plus 10 and x plus 10, give the common x plus 10. In second bracket remaining x minus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 10 is equal to 0 or x minus 9 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 10 or x is equal to 9 goes to right hand side. This is the plus. X is equal to minus 10 or x is equal to 9. But the age cannot be. But the age cannot be negative. Cannot be negative. Therefore x is not equal, minus 10 is unacceptable, is unacceptable. Therefore x is equal to 9 and Pragati's present age, Pragati's present age is 9 years. Let us see next example number 2. The sum of the square of two consecutive even natural numbers is 244. Find the numbers. Solution. First, let the two consecutive even natural numbers be x and x plus 2. X and x plus 2. From the given condition, the square of two consecutive even natural number is 244. Therefore write down this equation: x square plus x plus 2 bracket square is equal to 244. X square plus expand x plus 2 bracket square using the a plus b bracket square expansion formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Using this formula expand x plus 2 square, first term square plus 2 into first term and second term, 2 to the 4x plus square of second term 4 is equal to 244. Therefore x square plus x square to x square plus 4x plus 4, 244 gives in left side in minus sign Therefore 2x square plus 4x plus 4x minus 244 is equal to minus 240. Simplify this equation dividing by 2. Dividing by 2, it's remaining x square plus 2x minus 120 is equal to 0. Dividing by 2. To simplify this equation, solve this quadratic equation in factorization method. The multiplication is minus 120 and find 2 factor, and the sum is 2. 12 tens are 120. Give the minus sign in smaller factor. The sum of 2 factor is plus 2 and multiplication of 2 factor is minus 120. Write down in the factor form: x square plus 12x minus 10x minus 120 is equal to 0. Find the common factor of in these two terms and in these two terms. First two term common factor is x, remaining part x plus 12, and second two term minus 10 is common, remaining part is x plus 12 is equal to 0. In this two term x plus 12 and x plus 12 is a common bracket, give a common x plus 12. In second bracket x minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 12 is equal to 0 or x minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 10 or x is equal to 10. But minus 10 is not a natural number, is not a natural number. Therefore x is minus 10 is unacceptable. Acceptable. Therefore x is equal to 10 and x plus 2 is equal to 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. The answer: the required two consecutive, the required two consecutive even natural number, even natural numbers are 10 and 12. Let's see the next example. Example number 3. In the orchard of Sri Madhusudan, the number of orange trees in each row is 5 more than the number of trees in each column. The total number of orange trees in the orchard is 150. Find the number of trees in each row and column with the help of the following flowchart. First, the number of trees in each column is x. The number of trees in each row is 5 more than column. It means x plus 5. The total number of trees is equal to 150. Frame a quadratic equation. Next, frame a quadratic equation. Next, find the value of x. Then, how many trees in each column and how many trees in each row. This type of question is asked in your question paper in question number 2A and 3A. Solve it. Solution. Let the number of trees in each column be x. Then the number of trees in each row is more than column to 5. It means x plus 5. Total trees, therefore the total trees is equal to 150. The multiplication of column and rows is equal to 150 is equal to x into x plus 5 is equal to 150. Multiply by x into x square plus 5x is equal to 150. Therefore, x square plus 5x minus 150 is equal to 0. Solve this quadratic equation using the factorization method. Find the two factor of minus 150 and the sum is the 5 of these two factor. 15 tens are 150. The minus sign, 15 minus 10 is equal to 5. In the multiplication of 15 and 10, minus 150. Write down in the factor form, x square plus 15x minus 10x minus 150 is equal to 0. Therefore, give the common factor of these two term and these two term. X is a common, remaining part x plus 15 minus, in this term 10 is the common, x minus plus minus plus 15 is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 15 is the common and x minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 15 is equal to 0 or x minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 15 or x is equal to plus 10. Therefore x is equal to minus 15 or x is equal to 10, but the number of trees cannot be negative, therefore x is equal to minus 15 is unacceptable, therefore x is equal to 10 and x plus 5 is equal to 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. The number of trees in each column, the number of trees in each column and each row are 10 and 15, respectively. In this type, solve the above example. This solution in write down in the flow chart. Let's see the example number 4. Vivek is 5 years older than Kishore. The sum of the multiplicative inverse of their age is 1/6. Find their present age. First, let the age of first solution. Let the present age of Kishore be x and the present age of Vivek is a 5 years older than Kishore. The present age of Vivek is x plus 5. From the given condition, the sum of the multiplicative inverse of their age is 1/6. From the given condition, multiplicative inverse of x is 1/x plus 1/x plus 5 is equal to 1/6. Here cross multiplication, x plus 5 into 1, x plus 5 plus x into x plus 5 is equal to 1 upon 6. Therefore x plus x 2x plus 5 upon x into x square plus 5x is equal to 1 upon 6. These two ratios cross multiplication of x square plus 5x square plus x square plus 5x is equal to x square plus 5x 1 is x square plus 5x. 6 is equal to 6 into 2x plus 5. Therefore x square plus 5x 6 to the 12x plus 6 5 is 30. Therefore x square plus 5x minus 12x minus 30 is equal to 0. Therefore x square plus 5x minus 12x minus 7x minus 30 is equal to 0. Solve this quadratic equation using the factorization method. Therefore x square minus 7x minus 30 is equal to 0. Solve this quadratic equation using the factorization method. The multiplication of coefficient x square is 1 and constant term minus 30, multiplication minus 30, and the sum is middle term minus 7. Find two factor. Factor is easy. 10 3 is 30. Give the minus sign in 10 greater number. The minus sign is a middle term, and middle term sign gives to greater number. The two factor multiplication is minus 30 and the sum of two factor is minus 7. Write down in the factor form. Therefore x square minus 10x plus 3x minus 30 is equal to 0. Find out the common factor of two term. These two term. X square, x is the common, remaining x minus 10 in bracket plus 3 and 30, 3 is a common, x minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore x minus 10 is the common bracket. In second bracket x plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore x minus 10 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 10 plus 10 or x is equal to minus 3. But the age cannot be negative. But the age cannot be negative. Therefore x is equal to minus 3 is unacceptable. Therefore x is equal to 10 and x plus 5 is equal to 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. The present age of Kishore. The present age of Kishore and Vivek are 10 and 15 years respectively. In this type, solve the above example. This type of question are asked in question number 4 in 4 marks. Thanks.